In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add property on QuickBooks 2026, step by step. Let's get started right from your QuickBooks online dashboard. Open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in so you're on the home screen. On the right-hand side at the top, look for the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll manage company-level tools and list setups. Click the gear icon, then look for the section labeled Your Company. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the master list of every account your books use to categorize transactions, and it's exactly where you'll create the record for your new property. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, select New to add a new account. You're creating the asset account that represents the property on your balance sheet, so take a moment to set it up clearly and accurately. In the account name field, type a clear name for the property. A simple example is property name, but you can include a location or unit identifier if it helps you recognize it at a glance later. Next, choose the account type. For most real estate purchases, select Fixed Assets. If your situation is unique and you've been advised to group it differently, you can choose other assets instead. The account type determines how the property appears on your financial statements, so pick the one that reflects how you actually hold the asset. Then choose the detail type. Pick the option that best describes the asset, such as land or buildings. This adds an extra layer of clarity. As a quick tip, land is typically tracked separately from a building because land isn't depreciated, while buildings generally are. If you're unsure which detail to use, check your prior setup or consult your accounting advisor for consistency. Now enter the value. In the opening balance field, type the purchase price of the property and be sure this number reflects the original cost at the time you acquired it. Right next to that, set the date to the actual purchase date or to the start date of your QuickBooks file if you're bringing it in as of your opening balances. Accurate dating helps your reports line up correctly. Confirm the date is correct, give your entries a quick review, and then click Save. QuickBooks will add the property account to your chart of accounts immediately, and you'll see it listed with the type and detail you selected. That's it. You've added a property to QuickBooks in a clean, organized way, ready for future transactions and reporting. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your books structured and clear.